We'll be taking a quick look at the Mokongfu Bra, and it will come shipped in this box. So when you buy the bra, it will come with a couple of things. With this extension. Came with these panties that were kind of one size fit most. And it was confirmed that anyone who was 110 pounds could fit into it. And it can go up to 300 pounds. That's how stretchy it is. And that's how it should fit if this is more your style. These come free with the bra purchase. It has some designs on them. It has a little bit of leaves here around. And like a laurel, I guess, type of design here. And it's a little hard to see, but it seems to have this little bit of a minimalist kind of shaper in the back. And it came with this tag on how to take care of the garment. They would suggest hand washing, no bleach. This is no dry cleaning. This is the lay flat to dry. And this is no ironing. Now this particular bra was bought in a 40C size. But it can actually stretch out even bigger beyond that, because some of the material here stretches, even the straps stretch. Even the side of the bra stretches. So also some breathable mesh design here. See-through lace design. Then the backing is a bit wider. So it'll be 5 hooks that you'll need to attach. The lining is 73% nylon with 27% spandex. And it tells you a little bit of washing care. It says wash with light colors, hand wash cold, do not bleach, remove promptly, line dry in the shade, do not iron, do not wring or twist, and do not dry clean. And on the front we have this small little charm. The bra is wireless, no underwire, and this has been the Mokongfu Bra.